Hello students, today I am here with a new presentation on word problems, addition and subtraction. When we read word problems, we deal with English and mathematics together. To solve a problem, we have to follow some steps. The first step is read the problem carefully and understand. Then find answers of what the problem is about. What are you being asked to do? Now, step 2 is note down the information from the problem. First of all, convert that problem into simple sentences or simple words. Then, find out is it sufficient to solve the problem? Or if information which is not required is given there, then discard that. Now, step 3, think and decide what to do. When you go through the problem, see which operation, addition or subtraction you have to do. Then think about whether you have done this problem earlier and underline keywords to help you. Step 4, solve the problem. To solve the problem, the method which you have to follow that and see that you are covering all the steps which are necessary to get the answer. Step 5, before writing the answer, think, have you answered the question correctly? And you can check your answer by various methods. When you read the problem, you can find out with the help of few words like altogether, sum, combine, total, put together, in all, put with or add will give you hint that it is an addition problem. Now here I have taken few word problems from your book. There are 4,875 male visitors and 2,505 female visitors in the exhibition. What is the total number of visitors in the exhibition? Here, total number of visitors. These words give you hint that this is your addition sum. Now, example 2, a train ran 7,745 kilometer. Another train ran 1,855 kilometers more than the first train. How many kilometers did the other train run? Now here, more than the first train. These words give you hint about the way of solving this problem, that is addition. Example 3, there are 3,895 men, 2,927 women and 2,409 children in village. Find out the total population of the village. So here total population you have to find, means again addition. So these words help you to find out which operation to do. When it is a subtraction problem, you will get words like minus, less, difference, decrease, take away, deduct, left. These words help us to find that this is a subtraction sum. Now we will see word problems based on subtraction. Example 1. In a bakery, there was a demand for 1,575 pastries during the week, but 197 fewer pastries were baked. How many pastries were available for the sale? Here, demand of pastries is given, but the number of pastries actually baked is less or fewer. So this fewer word gives us hint that it is a subtraction sum. Now the second sum, the price of a washing machine is 6,290 and that of a mobile phone is rupees 4,450. Which cost more and by how much? Here cost of washing machine and mobile phone is given and they are asking which item is costing more and by how much. So here again you'll have to subtract from the bigger number and find the answer. This way, you can find out the keywords from your word problems and try to solve them. So, here from your book exercises, you can solve word problems. Thank you.